there's always some area where you need to problem solve, you need to figure something out. My name is Nicholas Peterman. I am a graduate of Northeast Iowa Community College.
My name is Brock Embers, and I'm a graduate of Northeast Iowa Community College. At nicc, I studied advanced manufacturing, welding, and industrial maintenance.
My program of study was CNC Machining. We learned the different fundamentals of computer-based control in machining technology through mills and lathes.
If you're in this program, then you'll be doing hands-on for most of the time. It covers the basics of how electricity works and how bearings work and how gears turn. When one turns this way, how does this one turn? So you get a good understanding of how everything works.
The instructors I had at NICC, I was floored by how much experience they had to bring to the table. My current job right now is I work as a CNC machinist. My job is setting up machines, getting ready to run a large order of parts. We got to get it ready to go, make sure everything's in tolerance.
I am a maintenance technician. I do setup, so I put up together all the pumps, or I switch around piping for product to go through.
If you go into NICC and tell them that you're willing to learn, I think that anyone could learn the machines, could learn the software, can learn the programming, and could basically get any job they want in that field.
If you like problem solving and troubleshooting, then yeah, it'd be something for you.